Hi everyone, and this is my devotional reflection for understanding digital cultures. In the next few minutes, I will share what I've learned from the lectures and readings, how this idea shapes our group project, and what I personally took away from the experiences. So the main idea in this week is that media are extension of our bodies. The mouth speaks, the ear listens, and the hand writes. What the teacher means is that computers didn't come out of nowhere. They're just another extension, transforming language through mathematics. Think about it. When you send a voice message, your mouth being extended through your phone to someone miles away. But here's where it gets interesting. Empires used to connect through communication systems to control distant territories. And today, algorithms do exactly the same thing, controlling where our attention goes. The readings that electric communication was as big a shift as printing, and new media always negotiate power with old media. What struck me was this line: equality in communication brings competition. Our group video actually showed this. Handwritten letters give you a time to think. Telephones made it distant, but you couldn't see face. And now smartphone let us video call anytime, but algorithms tracked everything. We gained speed and freedom, but lost privacy and imagination. Maybe every time we invent a faster way to connect, we also invent a new way to misunderstand each other. And this week, lecture really opened my eyes to how computers work on binary logic, ones and zeros. As the lecture said, the computer is built on binary logic, and this fundamentally shapes what the lecture calls computer culture. Everything in the digital world gets reduced to mensured data. It sounds natural, like just a technical thing, but actually it's not, because once information becomes data, it becomes something that can be controlled and manipulated. And that's exactly what Castles talk about the readings. He argues that power in the network age is the power to control the flow of information. So companies like Facebook or Google don't just host content, they actively decide what we see through algorithms. Our group's AI video demonstrated this perfectly. We showed an algorithm rewriting a journalist story for accuracy, and suddenly truth becomes whatever the algorithm decides. What really intrigues me is this idea that a flexibility becomes the mantra, simultaneously liberating and coercive. We have endless information access, but we are also counted in algorithmic bubbles. Maybe AI doesn't destroy truth, it's just our own binary way of seeing the world. When it comes to my role in the team, my teammates actually had a few things to say.
Traffic.
Creative.
Master of editing.
The way how she editing the video and the idea sometimes she came up with. I like her creative mindset, and I can't wait to learn more editing skills from her.
Okay, thank you, Jim. You know me. But honestly, I was a little surprised by the word creative, because I always think myself more as a planner than an artist. Editing master, I'll happily take this title. Haha, thank you, Yijie. Thank you especially for our early shoes filled your SIM card for so many useless things. Okay, looking back, this course really changed how I think about technology and creativity. It made me slow down and look at AI more critically to see both its benefits and its dangers. And now I don't just think about what technology can do, but also where its limits are and what kind of responsibility we have as creators in this digital culture. Right.